What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here, coming at you with a what sold video over on Amazon and eBay. And now none of these are really big sales. These are all sales that happened within the past weekish or so. And I just picked a bunch of random things that make it easier for you guys to find. If I'm showing things that, I sold for $100, $150, just some random thing that you might never find. Yeah, it's interesting, but I want to show you guys things that are very, very easy to find, help you guys out, and let's just jump right into it. Enough of me blabbering. So the first thing we have here is a Wilton cake pan. Now, I'll show you guys the actual listing for this. This is the cake pan itself, and a lot of times they come with an artwork imprinted inside of it, and so most of the time when you're at the thrift store, you're going to find them without the artwork. Now the artwork, I guess, is pretty important because it has all the instructions on exactly how to make the design, right? All the different colors you need, all the different ingredients you need, and all that good stuff. So I still sell them without that instructions, and I just say so in my description. Now you can see right now they're selling for $40. I only sold mine for $20.18. I would actually like to, I actually have one more of these that I'm going to end up sending in and selling it around that $40 range. Now you could see, if we scroll down here, has a pretty decent rank, 224,000 in kitchen. Now that's not a great seller, it's not a super fast seller, and it's not a super slow seller. Now when I sold mine, I believe the rank was a little bit lower, so I would imagine this $40 price range, it's going to take a certain person to come and buy this item, right? It's not going to be somebody, oh, I want this, Cookie Monster cake pan. I'll drop 20 bucks. It's not too bad. 40 bucks is a whole different story. So you always got to be very careful with your pricing. Next, we have an item right here, a Skull Candy Bluetooth headphone. Sold it for $35.88. Pretty good sale. Consider you can see right now it's selling for $48.99. So I mean, I don't know why mine sold for so little. I don't know. I sold this one about a week ago, maybe a little bit less, so the price has just gone up. Now I found this at Staples. I don't know if you guys have been seeing all these videos pop up on YouTube of people doing retail arbitrage at Office Depot, Office Max, Staples, Walmart, GameStop, all these places, right? They clearance things out all the time. I go there to buy my boxes. I know people go to Walmart to buy their boxes, people go to Home Depot to buy their boxes to do their shipments in, and for me personally, I go to Staples. There's just one really close to me. So I always check the clearance rack, and for some reason they had headphones marked down to $2, $3 a piece, and I was scanning them in and they were all going for $30+. So I bought a whole bunch of them. These ones, I think I had 2 or 3 of them, sold for, what did they sell for me? $35.88. Now, if I held off a little bit longer, could have gotten $48.99. Doesn't really matter to me. I only spent a couple of bucks on it, so I am pretty happy. So wherever you guys go to, maybe you drop off your packages at Staples, maybe you drop them off at, I know other places take in UPS shipments and post office packages. Just go check the clearance section whenever you're at a store. If you're grocery shopping, go check what they have on clearance. Do this at every single store and you will make some money. I mean, I always find stuff just walking across it like that. Next, we have Def Jam Fight for New York. This is a very valuable PSP game. You can see I sold it for $45.95. Almost 50 bucks. Oh, I didn't actually open it. Here we go. Almost 50 bucks. Right now, it's actually going for much more, so I'm not sure why all of mine sold for way less than what they're actually going for. Amazon Prime going for 80 right now. You can see Acceptable going for 58. So why mine only sold for $45.95? I mean, literally, these are all sales within the past week or so. I don't know. Now, I do have a repricer, and sometimes it goes on the fritz. It actually just happened to me not too long ago where I had my repricer set to only mark things down after they'd been in Amazon for at least 14 days, I believe it was. And the second my things checked in, all of a sudden they just started going down. I'm like, what the heck? And they were selling, and there's nothing I could do about it, so I disabled my repricer. I don't know what's going on with that. It's from this website, Reprice It. Now, I don't know if maybe I messed up on the settings. I don't know, but it screwed me over and it screwed me out of a lot of money. So be careful with these third-party programs. The next item we have here are these singamalings, and this is another retail arbitrage find, guys. I've been finding a lot of things at these retail stores lately. They're just marking things down, and I'm buying them. This is some little toy. You can see it's going for $22.85 right now, so I actually made more than what it was going for, so booyah. There we go. I'm happy. It's just some weird toy. I mean, it's really weird. You could see, you like squeeze the tummy and it opens its mouth. It does really weird music. I don't know. I didn't think it was that cool. I thought it was kind of creepy. But I forgot where. I got it at Christmas Tree Shop, and I'm trying to remember how much I paid for it. Let me know down below in the comments if Christmas Tree Shop is nationwide. Do you have one near you? Because I've actually found a lot of pretty good toys and just random stuff to buy there to sell on Amazon. I've done it quite a few times. And if you have one near you, you should go check it out for sure. I believe I paid anywhere between $5 and $6 for this, and I actually bought 4 of them, and they all sold, so I am completely sold out of these at $23.99 a piece. I mean, I more than doubled my money. Super happy about that. I love doing that with retail arbitrage. Now, it's not going to be as great as thrift finds, because at a thrift store, you could spend $1 to make $20, $30, $40, but retail arbitrage, it's mostly going to be spending $5 to make $5 back, right? 5 on top of the 5 that you made back. So you double your money, which is still always great. Sometimes, you know, you spend 5 to make 3 back. It's just the way it is. But if you could buy in volume and always buy the same items, replenishables are what they're called. If you buy hot sauce or something, it sells good on Amazon, and you just keep going back to the supermarket, keep buying it, keep restocking your inventory on Amazon. And this is another way to do it besides just thrifting. So always think about other ways to make money. Don't just be stuck going to Goodwill every single day, because yeah, you will find stuff, but you can make a lot more if you go and you check out these retail stores, you go and you check out pawn shops, you go and you check out local marketplaces, guys. I'm going to be doing a video very shortly, very soon, of me scouring Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, Letgo, and seeing what I can find. I love doing those videos because I always find good stuff. Now moving over to eBay, just for 3 bonus ones, right? I wanted to throw 3 bonus ones in here. This is a Pokeball. Now, if you guys saw, I had this video on my channel. It kind of did pretty good. It has like a little over 40,000 views. I found Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu at a Goodwill for 45 bucks. Couldn't believe it. So I still have the game. I've been playing the game actually, but I didn't really care much for this Pokeball that came inside of it. It contains an extra Pokemon for the game and all this stuff. It didn't matter to me, so I sold it for $50. So I got the game for free. Now when I'm done with the game, I can sell the game by itself for close to $60 still. And so I'm trying to fly through that game to finish it, and then I'm gonna sell it. And then, you know what, I got the game for free, got to play it, got to beat it, and I'm gonna make $50-ish on top of my initial investment. So totally awesome. This thing is super lightweight. It cost me about $2.80-ish to ship, so really cool there. Next we have another video game item on eBay. It's Skyrim in VR, and now you guys can see I didn't even take my own photos. I just used the stock photo that eBay provided, and it sold really fast. Sold for $42.87. Now another great tip, I went onto Target. They were doing this clearance thing, or this coupon thing, and the coupon stacked a whole bunch of times, so I just stacked it up as many times as it would let me, and I bought like 3 or 4 PlayStation VRs to sell on Amazon. And so I sold them, but one of them I wanted to keep. So I opened it up, and it had this game in it that I wasn't super interested in. I already owned this game. I didn't care much for playing it in virtual reality. So I sold it for $42.87. I still have my VR that I play every once in a while out in the living room. So I consider that a win, knocking some money off and making some money in the process. And the last item we have here, I always like to show you guys DVDs because I want you to know DVDs sell very well on eBay. Don't get discouraged if you can't sell DVDs on Amazon. I can't sell DVDs on Amazon. I get so many people talking to me in my comments saying, hey, you could sell CDs. You know, you're talking about how to make all this money with CDs, but none of us can sell CDs. Okay, DVDs. I can't sell them, but I sell them over on eBay. If you're primarily an Amazon seller, look into selling a few things on eBay. Don't put all your eggs into one basket. You really don't want to make all your money on one platform, because if anything happens, God forbid you get suspended, your account gets hacked, you get copyright claims, who knows what's going to happen, right? And you lose your account, you got to figure out how you're going to be making money and having an income. So this is World War II with Walter Cronkite, War in Europe. Brand new sealed. I sell used DVDs all the time as well on eBay, and I notice a lot of stuff having to do with world wars do very well. A lot of war films. Now I do have some that don't do very well, that don't have, you know, as much money I can make. So I'm gonna lot them up, because there's a certain demographic of people that just are really into this kind of stuff, and they will buy everything and watch it all. So if you lot it up, if you could get this stuff for dirt cheap, pick it up. I mean, any sealed box set is almost guaranteed to make you some profit. So what I like to do to find out if these DVDs are going to be worth some money, because typing in every single one at a thrift store into your eBay app can take forever. What I do, I go onto Amazon. Now I know I can't sell them on Amazon, but I go onto Amazon, I scan it with my phone. If it's selling on Amazon for, you know, $30, $40, $50, well, it's probably selling on eBay for around $15 to $30, somewhere around there. So I know it's going to be worth it. And that's kind of how I guesstimate. So I'll scan, scan, scan. If it's only selling for 15, 20 bucks on Amazon, eBay is going to be way less, because all the people that can't sell on Amazon are selling on eBay. So there's a lot more DVDs on eBay. I've noticed the same thing with CDs. CDs will be a lot cheaper on eBay, but not so much on Amazon. So if you want to buy some for yourself, go check eBay for sure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully I gave you some good tidbits of knowledge. Let me know down below in the comments. Also, I'd like to know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see, because I'm always trying to think of ideas. I'm trying to pump out as many videos as I can for 2019. Let me know down below. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.